So, good morning people, welcome back to the channel. Here we're at Dandilofts in Germany and it's the 31st of March. So, 1st of April tomorrow. I'm in the yearling section to start off with. I just thought I'd show you where we are at this stage in the season. My first race is in 5 weeks. So, first training race. So here's the first yearling section. And all these pairs here actually raised a youngster this year. I then separated all the hens and the cocks, and the cocks had a second hen. And the second hen is in here. And today I took them off of their eggs and put them away and gave them their original hens back. So now they're repairing with their original hens, just for today. And then this team of hens will be moved into the aviaries at the front. The cocks will stay here on their own, and the hens will move to the aviary in the front. These hens here will be kept in here, flown out separately from the other hens, but come in to this section, but never actually meet the cocks again, not until race day. So that's the first yearling section there. The young birds are actually all out in the aviaries. There's the young birds out there. Enjoying the sunshine, had a bath. So they're all doing what they're supposed to do. Left the door open, go in son, go on. And then other end here, and with the other head, yearling section, and the same here, with the difference is that not a lot of these were repaired to other ones because I didn't have that many hens, and some of them went down so late. For example, he's got youngsters in there, they've got youngsters in there, and they'll have youngsters in there today. So they're a little bit behind, which is causing me a little bit of hassle, but we'll see. And the grizzle there, has lost his hen. So he's bringing them up to alone. But these have been repaired today, so we'll see how they get on. And once again, these hens will actually live outside in the aviary, out here, and not meet the cocks until race day. So that's how it is with the yearlings.